Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you the best way to watch Amazon Prime on video TLC Smart TV. Whether you're using Roku TV, Android TV, or Google TV, your TCL set. Getting Prime Video app running super simple once you know where to go. If your TCL runs on an Oku, start by pressing a home button on your remote. Scroll through streaming channels, then select search channels. Type in Amazon Prime Video, then install the app. Once it's downloaded, open the app and sign in using your Amazon account credential. And just that's it. You're ready to stream your favorite shows and movies. If your TCL TV is running on Android TV or Google TV, press the home button and go to Google Play Store. Search for Prime Video, install the app, and open it. You'll be prompted to sign in or scan the QR code linked to your TV on your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, you're all set to beam. Make sure your TV's fire update and you're connected to Wi-Fi with a stable signal. That will be keep streaming smooth, avoid buffering issues. And if the app's already installed but not working right, try cleaning the app cache or installing and reinstalling it. And thanks for watching. If this helped you to set up Amazon Prime or TCL Smart TV, don't forget to like, comment any issues you face below, and subscribe for more simple streaming guides and smart TV tips. Catch you in the next video.